Hi, my name's Todd, and on behalf of ExpertVillage, today I'm going to show you how to make stovetop popcorn. Okay, so we've got our oil and our popcorn in the pot. We've set it to medium, and the couple kernels that we had in there, a couple of them started popping. So now I know it's hot enough for the popcorn to pop. So I'm going to go ahead and pour in some more. I'm just going to pour in enough to cover the bottom. Shake it around so that they're all level. And if looking in the pot you see it looks like the kernels are swimming a little, that means you had too much oil. I would go ahead and add more popcorn to it. You don't want all of that oil to soak into a small amount of kernels. If it doesn't look like they're getting wet at all from the oil, then I would go ahead and add a little bit more oil. But other than that, should be popping now. Go ahead and put the lid on. If you'd like to, you can use a towel. Just drape the towel over the top so that when it pops, the steam won't get your hands whenever you're holding the pot.